Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on this backup option and tap on next. We have to tap on add account. Of course, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, just tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Now we have to choose who's going to use this device. So just tap on the proper option. And here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. And tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info, and tap on I agree. Right here we have to decide what kind of data we want to backup, so you can choose photos and videos and other device data like contacts, call history, device settings, text messages, etc. So it's up to you, you can use both. I will mark this one and tap on confirm. We've got the information that the backup is on, so let's tap on manage backup. And here we've got the section where we can check backup details. So here you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. So for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, you've got backup details. So you can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now. And as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.